In this video, we're going to be showing you how we Ranger roll a pair of socks. First thing we need to do is take one sock and put it directly on top of the other. Now with this top sock, we are going to fold it about an inch down on itself. That way we can wrap it up better once we get towards the end. Once we have that folded, then we will go down to the toes and begin rolling. Now we're going to roll this tightly, and we're also using our ring fingers almost as a guide to make sure that it is rolling straight and neatly. And then once we get to the heel here, we're just going to do a little pivot to the side to make sure that we keep it all in the same shape. We'll then continue to roll up until we get to the very top of the socks, just like this. And then we'll grab the bottom of it, keeping it tight so it doesn't unroll. And then we'll stick our finger inside and begin to wrap it around with the inside of that one sock, just like that. Then all we have to do is just straighten it up a little bit, and there we have it. That is how you Ranger roll a pair of socks. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.